Hello students, today we will solve remaining examples of question number B of exercise 2I. Students, yesterday we have solved example number 1 and 2. Okay, and example number 3 I give you homework to solve. Okay, then remaining examples that are example number 4 to example number 9. We will solve it today. Okay. So see here example number 4, 65,312 divided by 7. So here we have to divide 65,312 by 27. Then we have to check our answer. Okay. हमें डिवीजन करने के बाद आंसर भी चेक करना है. Okay. So see, first we will divide 65,312 divided by 7. Here divisor is 2 digit, so we will divide 2 digit. Okay. So before dividing, we have to write the table of 27. Okay. हमें क्या करना है? जब भी हम डिवीजन कर रहे होते हैं उस समय हमें सबसे पहले अगर हमें टेबल 27 का टेबल आता है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स को 27 का टेबल नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम टेबल बना देंगे. सी हियर वी विल मेक टेबल. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 2 fours are sorry 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. Means 27 twos are 54. 27 threes are 3 sevens are 21. 1 here 2 carry. 3 twos are 6 plus 2 8. Means 81. 27 fours are 4 sevens are 28. So 28 is 8 here 2 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 2 10. Means 108. Then 27 multiplied by 5. 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 30. Then 27 multiplied by 6. 6 sevens are 42, 4 carry. 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Then 27 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry. 7 twos are 14 plus 4, 18. Then 27 8s are 8 sevens are 56. 6 here 5 carry. 8 twos are 16 plus 5 21. And 27 9s are 9 sevens are 63. 3 here 6 carry. 9 twos are 8. 8 plus 6. Sorry, 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6 24. Means 243. Then 27 tens are 270. 27 tens are 270. So like this we will make table first. Okay. Now we have to divide 27 by 65 by 27. Okay. So see here we know 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54, 27 threes are 81. So we will take 27 twos are 54. 27 twos are 54. Subtract. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Then next number 3, we will bring here 130. Now we will divide 130 by 27. And we know that 27 fours are 108. 27 fours are 108. So we will write here. 3 minus 8 not possible, so what we will do? We will take 0. Here we left 0. Now here becomes 30. 30 minus 8, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Means 5. Then what we will do? We will bring next number here, 51. We know 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. And here is 51. So we can't take 54. We will take 27 ones are 27. 4, 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 4 minus 2, 2 is 24. And then our next step, bring 2 here is 242. Let's see, 242 comes in table of 27. No, 243 comes. So what we will do? We will take 216. 27 is our 200. 27 is our 216. Okay. Then 2 minus 6 not possible. So we will take 4. Here we left 3. Now here becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 1, 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. Means in dividend there is no number left. It means our division has completed. So we got 2418 as quotient and 26 as remainder. So our quotient is 2418 and remainder is 26. Okay, so this is our division's answer. Answer this question. 2418 and remainder is 26. Now we will check. Okay, and while check, we know how to check. Okay, the formula of checking division is dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, now quotient एंड डिवाइजर का पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. सो क्वेश्चन इज 2480 multiplied by divisor and divisor is 27. Okay, this is quotient and this is divisor. Okay, now we will multiply. So here 27 is 2 digit. Okay, so we will multiply by one digit. First we will multiply 2418 by 7. Okay, so 7 8s are 56. 6 here 5 carry. Then 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5 12. So 12 2 here 1 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So 29 is 9 here 2 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 16. Okay, now we will divide 2418 by 2 and 2 is in tens place. Okay, so 2 is in tens place. So what we will do? We will give 1 0 of multiplication. Why? Because 2 is in tens. 2 tens place में है इसलिए हम 1 0 दे देंगे and अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, तो इसके पहले के जो कैरी थे उसे हम इरेज कर देंगे क्योंकि वो कैरी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे हमें मिले थे. ओके, नाउ we will multiply 2418 by 2. 2 8s are 16. So 16 is 6 here. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So 3 here. Then 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, we got two partial product of this multiplication. So we will add these two product. Okay, 6 plus 0 6. 2 plus 6 8. 9 plus 3 12. 2 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8 15. 5 here 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 6. Means 65,286. Here we will add remainder. Here we will add remainder and remainder is 26. Remainder is 26. So we will add 26 here. 26 is remainder. Okay, 6 plus 6 12 2 1 carry. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 2 11 is 1. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3 5 and 6 means 65,312 and our dividend is also 65,312. Okay, तो जो हमारा इस फॉर्मूला चेक करने पे जो हमारा जो लास्ट में आंसर जो मिलता है ना, क्वेश्चन मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर, ये करने के बाद हमें जो आंसर मिलता है अगर वो डिविडेंड जितना इक्वल है डिविडेंड समान मतलब डिविडेंड ही मिलता है। ओके 65,312 65,312 इट मींस आवर डिवीजन इज करेक्ट। ओके तो जब हम चेक करेंगे तो हमें फाइनली डिविडेंड मिलेगा, है ना। सो इसका मतलब जो हमारा डिवीजन है वो क्या है, परफेक्ट है, करेक्ट है। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? I hope you understood. So please note example number 4. Okay. Write fast. Now students, we will solve example number 7. Okay. It means example number 5 and 6 you have to solve. Okay. Example number 5 and 6 आपको solve करना है क्योंकि example number 4 के समान ही एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5 और 6 है। मींस वहां पर हमें 2 डिजिट नंबर से डिवीजन करना है। ओके अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 7। हियर वी हैव टू डिवाइड 6 डिजिट नंबर बाय 3 डिजिट नंबर मींस 7,70,000 divided by 165। so we will first arrange 7,70,000 by 165। okay we will make first table। okay table of 165 ones are 165 165 twos are okay 2 fives are 10 so 10 0 1 carry 2 six are 12 plus 1 13 so 13 3 1 carry 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 then 165 threes are 3 fives are 15 15 is 5 1 carry 3 six are 18 plus 1 19 9 here 1 carry 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 okay means 495 then 165 multiplied by 4 4 fives are 20 0 here 2 carry 4 six are 24 plus 2 26 6 here 2 carry 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6 then 165 multiplied by 5 5 fives are 25 5 here 2 carry 5 six are 30 plus 2 32 2 here 3 carry 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8 825 okay now students we will make table of 165 till 5 only okay now let's solve here 165 is divisor and divisor has 3 digits so that's why we will divide only 3 digits first 770 we will divide 770 by 165 so you can see here 165 fours are 660 and 165 fives are 825 so 825 we can't take because 825 is greater than 770 so we will take 165 fours are 165 fours are 660 now subtract 0 minus 0 0 7 minus 1 sorry 7 minus 6 1 7 minus 6 1 means 110 now next number 0 we will bring here okay here becomes 1100 okay and 1100 here we wrote table of 165 till 5 only so what we will do we will increase the table we will write complete table of 165 6 are 6 5 are 30 0 here 3 carry 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39 9 here 3 carry 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9 then 165 sevens are 5 7 5 are 35 5 here 3 carry 7 6 are 42 42 plus 3 45 5 here 4 carry 7 1 are 7 plus 4 11 then 165 multiplied by 8 8 5 are 40 40 0 4 carry 8 6 are 48 plus 4 52 2 here 5 carry 8 1 are 8 plus 5 30. And 165 multiply by 9. 9 5s are 45. So 5 here, okay. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54 plus 4. 58. 58. 8 here. 5 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 5. 9 1s are 9 plus 5. 14. 9 plus 5. 14. And then finally 165 tens are 1650. Okay. So finally we will completed table of 165. Now here we have to divide 1100 by 165. You can see here 165 6 are 990, 165 7s are 1155. So we can't take this 1155 because this is greater. So we will take 165 6 are 990 minus 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 9 not possible, so we will take borrow from here. Here we have 0. Now here becomes 10. 10 minus 9 1. And here 0 minus 9 again not possible, so here from here we will bring 1. Now here becomes 10. 10 minus 9 1. Okay, 110. Then next number 0 we will bring here again 1100. So what we will do? 165 6 are 990 minus 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 9 not possible, so we will take 1 from here. 10 minus 9 1. 0 minus 9 again not possible, so we will take 1 from here. Here becomes 10. 10 minus 9 1. 110. Then last number 0 we will bring here. Again we will get 1100. So 165 6 are 990 minus 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 9 not possible, so we will take 1 from here. 10. 10 minus 9 1. 0 minus 9 not possible, so we take 1 from here. Here we get 0. Now here becomes 10. 10 minus 9 1. Means finally we will get 110 remainder. And question is 4666. Q is equal to 4666. R for remainder is equal to 110. Okay. Now we will check our answer. Okay. And to check our answer, we know that dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, so see here, quotient is 4666. 4666 multiplied by divisor, and divisor is 165. So 165. Now we have to multiply 4665 by 165. So first we will multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30. So 30 is 0 here, 3 carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3 here, 3 carry. 5 6 are 30 plus 3, again 33. 3 here, 3 carry. 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Okay. Then we will erase the carry. Now we will multiply 4665 by 6. And 6 is in tens place. So that's why we will put 1 0. Okay. Now 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 9 here, 3 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 9 here, 3 carry. 6 4 are 24 plus 3, 27. Now multiplication by 6 is also completed. Now we will multiply by 1, and 1 is in hundreds place. So we will erase carry first, and 1 is in hundreds place. So that's why we will put 2 zeros. Okay. Now 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. And 1 4 are 4. Now we got here 3 partial product. Now we will add them. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 is 8. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. So 19 is 9 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. And 10 plus 6, 16. So 16 6 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Means 7,69,890. We got product. And in this product, we will add remainder. And remainder is 110. So 110. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 is 0, 1 10. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 is 0, 1 10. 1 plus 9, 10. So 10 is 0, 1 10. 1 plus 6, 7. And 7 is 7. It means finally we will get 7,70,000. And our dividend also 7,70,000. It means this is dividend. Okay. If we get dividend after solving this formula, it means our division is correct. It means हमारा जो division है, अगर हम यहाँ पे आंसर में same dividend ही समान ही मिल रहा है, it means our division is correct. Okay, students. So understood. I hope you understood how to divide and check our answers. Okay. So students, remaining examples, and that are example number 8 and 9. You have to solve as a homework. Okay. Understood? I hope you have understood and you will solve the homework. Okay. Bye.